So the first person I'm going to call will be Zion, like I mentioned. And question for Zion is this. Look at some questions there. Question number one. Okay, I'm going to write it out here. So Zion, what is square root of 256? Zion. 16. Yeah. Now, to the whole class, listen to this. What if you were given this question and I'm still hearing some background noise somewhere? Okay. I don't know. That should be from Zion there. Joanne, mute yourself. Let me. Okay. I think it's better now. So when I need you to unmute yourself, I'm going to be asking you to do so. So Zion has answered this question, which is correct. But I want to show you how to go about it, just in case you were asked to show the workings of how you get the square root of 256. So what you do is to write your 256, and you divide straight ahead. You start dividing straight ahead with prime numbers that can be divided. So the first prime number here is 2, and 2 in 2 is 1. Then 2 in 5 is 2, remainder 1. While 2 in 16 is 8. Then you have 2 in 12 to be 6. I'm still hearing some background noise, maybe from Joanne over there. Then 2 in 8 is 4. 2 can still divide. 2 here, 3. 2 here, 2. And 2 in 3 is 1. That's 12. That's 16. And 2 in 16 is 8. While 2 in 8 is 4. And 2 in 4 is 2. While 2 in 2 is 1, and nothing goes again. So here you see that these are all the numbers that I was able to use to divide until it cannot go again. So you're going to write that plus this one above here. So you're going to write 256 equal to the multiplication of all these numbers. So how many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 2 raised to power 8, which could be divided into 2 raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power 4. And you know, when you multiply a number by a number to give you, by itself, to give you a particular number, and that means it is the square root of that number. Therefore, I can say square root of 256 equal to 2 raised to power 4, which is 16. So that is the method of how to find square root of a given number. Please put that down, everybody, as I'm going to explain it right away so that we can move to the next person. So just signal to me when you are through so that I can play in the space, and we'll go to the second person immediately. So are you all through now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So the next person that will answer question will be Bella. Bella, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So Bella, your question, let me send it off. So to your question, Bella, we have what is the square root of let me see. Okay, number 2 here. So Bella, what is the square root of 841? 841. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I gave you from 1 to 50. 800. What do you call it?
9.
Can I hear 29? That's correct. 29, that's correct. So 841, the square root is 29. So let us see how we can do that out. Let's see how we can get that done. So number 2, square root of somebody, I'm hearing background noise from you. I use your video, don't let me have to remind you. So 829. 829. You're going to have the number here and have 9 above it. So 829 is here. Yeah, obviously 2 will not divide 9, so I'm not going to use first prime number 2. I'm going to the second prime number, which is 3. So if 3 divides these, it gives me 6, 2, that's it. Then 2 again, then 9. So 9 also will not go. So definitely, 3 also will not go. So that means a number that I'm going to use is obviously a prime number. So this doesn't work with the rule of 2, 3, 5, 11, and so on. Because 29 itself is a prime number that nothing will divide. So that's why that 3 is not going to work. So it's 29 straight away. That's 25. So how many 29 is here? It's 29. And 29 is one that can divide it again. So how many 29 again? 1. So we have just 29. 29 times 29, giving us 829. Was that the question? The question was 829, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. 829. So then I can say, since the two numbers are multiplying themselves, immediately I can now say square root of 829 equals to 29. So put that down, then we'll go to the next person. Yes, the next question goes to Joanne. Joanne, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the square root of what's the square root of this number? 324. Yes, what's the square root of 324, John? 324. What's the square root? Yes. I'm waiting. 324. Okay, I think I'm going to throw the question to Zion. Zion, what's the square root of 324? Yes, I'm waiting. Zion, unmute yourself and talk. What is the square root of 324? I can't hear that. You don't have to. You are covering the mouthpiece of the headpiece you're using. So, what is the square root of 324, Zion? Okay, I can't hear that. Isaiah, what's the square root of 324? Unmute yourself. Yes. Yes. The square root of 324. Okay, Joanne, are you ready now? Okay. Yeah, what's the answer? Bella, are you with the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's the answer?
I think 18 square.
You think 18 square. That is wrong. The answer is 18, not 18 square. So that's the third one. Square root of 324 is 18. So how do we arrive at 18? That's what we want to get. So 324. Yeah, 2 can divide it. So how many 2 in 3? That is 1. Remember 1. How many 2 in this? 6. 2 here. That is 2. 2 can still divide. 2 in 16, 8, and 2 here is 1. So 2 will not divide again because it ends with 10. Zion, where is your video? I can't see. Zion, 2 of you, I'm going to penalize you by giving you salt. Now, 3 is what you're going to use now. How many 3? 8. That's 2, 2, that's 21, 3 here, 7. Then how many 3 in 27? That is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. How many 3 in 9? That is 3. And how many 3 in 3? That is 1. So you're going to have all of this as our answer. So it's going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, giving us square 324. 324. So we are going to group it into 2 because we need 2 identical numbers that are going to multiply to give us this number. So we have to share this into 2 equal parts. That is 2 times 3 times 3. Then multiply by 2 times 3 times 3. That is 324. Then I have 2 times 3 times 3 here. That is 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 3 is 18 times. Then also on this side I have 18, and that would be 24. And 18 squared now gives us 224. So which means root 324 equals to 18. I believe that should be clear to every one of you. Is that clear now, Zion?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Zion, is that clear? Zion, okay. Yeah, I can't even hear you, but it's okay. Is there anyone that has not answered questions? There's okay. There's Pisayo next. Pisayo, let me give you your question now. Are you ready, Pisayo? Desire, I have a question for you here.
Yes, sir.
Or have I given you your own question?
No, sir.
Okay, so what I want to give you is what is the square root of the? Okay, what is the square root of?
Sir?
Yeah, hold on, please. Hold on. What's the square root of 1024? Yes, 1024. I'm hearing as if somebody is sweeping something or something. So what is the square root of 1024? Desire.
Sir?
Square root of 1024. I'm still hearing the background noise from one of them. Desire, I can't hear you. Unmute yourself. Desire, unmute yourself and answer the question. What's the square root of 1024? You know why most of you are finding it difficult to answer the question? It's because you cram. You did not study. Next time you study through, don't cram. Is that taken by everyone?
Yes,
Zion, I don't know what's happening over there. Zion, I'm not seeing your face. So, 1024, the square root is 32. 32. So that's number 4 there. Square root of 1024. That's what we want to find. Square root. So put it into the square root. So 2 can divide this. How many 2 in 10? That's 5. 2 in 2 is 1. And 2 in 4 is 2. And 2 in 5 is 1. Remember 1. 2 in 11, 5. The 1 and 2 here 6. So 2 here is 2, not 2 remain the 1. And I have 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 5 is 2 again. 2 here is 8. Then 2 in 12 is 6. 2 here 4. 2 here 3. Here 2. 2 here 1. 2 here 6. 2 in 16 is 8. 2 in 8 is 4. I'm hearing background voice. 2 in 4 is 2. And 2 in 2 is 1. So you can see families of 2 here. How many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 2 in 10 places. We have 2 in 10 places. That is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 5. Then multiply by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have this to give us 1, 0, 2, 4. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This gives me 32 times 32. That gives me 1, 0, 2, 4. So in a nutshell, I said square root of 1, 0, 4 is 32. So is that clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very good. So I think with that we are done with the square root of numbers. What if you were given to find the cube root of numbers? Yes, cube root of numbers. You know, as you have square root of number to be a number multiplied twice to give us that particular number, then the cube root of a number will be a number multiplied by itself 3 times to give us that number. So let me ask one of you questions. Bella, unmute yourself. What is the cube root of 64? Did you hear my explanation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the cube root of 64? I want to clean the board now. What is the cube root of 64? What do you say? I can't hear that. What do you say? I can't hear from you. Zion, unmute yourself and talk. What is the cube root of 64? What do you call it? I can't hear you. What do you call it? I'm not even hearing you. Don't hold the something. Just talk. Don't hold it. Just talk. Yes. What do you call it? Oh no, that's not coming clear. Isayo, what is cube root? What is the cube root of 64? Did you hear the explanation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's the cube root of 64? Oh, I should explain again. Should I explain again? I mean the explanation about cube root. Yes. You know,
Yes.
square root of a number is a number you multiply by itself twice. How many times?
Twice.
Yes, to get that particular number. That's why we can say the square root of 64 is 8, because we multiply 8 by itself 2 times. Not 8, not 3 times, not 5 times, 2 times. Now, cube root of a number is a number you're going to multiply by itself 3 times. How many times?
3 times.
Zion, you're not talking. How many times?
3 times.
Okay, the number you multiply by itself 3 times to give you that particular number. So I'm now saying, what number are you going to multiply by itself 3 times to give us 64? Yes, any of you.
4.
4. That is good. That is good. 4, because 4 times 4 times 4 is 4. So they could give you another one. Let's say find the fourth root of 81. Yes, who can try that? Who can try that? To give me the fourth root. A number you multiply by itself 4 times to give me 81. Fourth root of 81. Yes, you can try it. Yes. Zion is talking, but I'm not hearing you because you are muted.
3.
Yes, 3. That's correct. So by that we come to the end of the class for today. So do you all have any question before we go?
No, sir.
Okay. So that means you are clear with the explanation, yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
If you are going to rate this lesson, this summer lesson, if you are going to rate it on the rating of 1 to 10, 10 as the highest, as 0 as the lowest, 0 to 10. So what rating are you likely to give this kind of experience you are having during the class?
9.
9, okay.
9.
Okay, 9. Who else?
7.
Okay. Who else?
9.
Okay. Who said 9? Okay. Isayo, Zion, and who again? And Joanne. Who said 7?
Bella.
Okay, very good. Now, those of you that said 9, can you explain why do you say 9? What is the reservation for the remaining 1 point? Maybe your explanation could be justified, yes?
Yes, sir. Mostly because of the background noises.
Background noises, okay. Background noises from some of the students. That's a very
Yes.
good one. And Zion, what's your own concern about the -1 rating that is the 9? Yes. Okay, probably you had 9, you said 9. Johan, what about you?
Assignment.
I don't understand that. Can you explain further? Yes.
After the class.
Yes.
If you don't know, give us assignment.
Oh, the assignment you have after each class. That's a very good thing. The assignment you have is to go over the lecture video. That's why I keep sending. You know, it's not compulsory. I send you the lecture video. You know. You know that, Joanne. Joanne, can you hear me? It's not compulsory. I send the lecture video because I believe you are in the lecture. So your assignment is to go over your notes. In order to assist your assignment, that is why after each class you are being sent the lecture video. Is that clear to you now?
Okay.
So that is what you are expected to do throughout the day, to go over it and let it speak. Bella, you rated it 7. Yes, let me hear it. Why 7?
Called background noises.
Background noises, mostly at times from Bella herself. Yes. Did you continue yet? And
They are
what?
not complete.
And what? Let me hear. You are putting something in your mouth. Let me hear you. Yes.
Because of background noises and
Eh,
because they are not complete.
we are not complete. I don't know the meaning of we that are not complete. You are the only one attending lesson from your place. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that's complete enough. So the fact that the whole of the students, the whole of the class is not there, it doesn't mean you are not complete. So thank you very much for today. Do you all enjoy the conversation today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is where we're going to be ending this session. Thank you very much. Tomorrow, no lateness. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can I hear goodbye?
Bye.
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 Have a lovely day.